Weird microphone check, weird time check. We are ready to go. Ramp reports 4-time revenue growth, says it still has the vast majority of equity funding. 2022 was a tumultuous year for many fintech startups, but for Ramp it was a year of opportunity. The company shared today that it saw its revenue grow by 4 times last year, buyout by Vodka founder and CEO Eric Gleeman describes as a desire on the part of companies of all sizes and stages seeking to save money by managing their spend much better. Last July, Ramp revealed that it had crossed $100 million in annualized revenue before its third birthday in March of that year. Also, Gleeman this week declined to share updated revenue figures, noting only that business continued to grow, led by its fastest growing segment of bill pay. Notably, the executive also claimed that the startup, which has secured $670 million in equity financing and $700 million in committed debt funding since its 2019 inception, still has the vast majority of equity funds it has ever received still on its balance sheet. Paytrix raises $18.3 million to build out its one-stop payment shop. A UK startup built a solution to fix fragmented payments problem, a single platform and single contract that lets its customer manage all of different payment options from payment acceptance to payouts just in one single place. The funding is a Series A. It is being co-led by Unusual Ventures, Motive Partners, and Bain Capital Ventures. Bain had also been a part of Paytrix's previous round of £5.2 million in May 2022, with Fin Capital, Better Tomorrow Ventures, Hambro Perks, Clock Tower Ventures, FinTech Fund, D4 Ventures, and various individuals, all of whom are also participating in its round. The company is not disclosing its valuation though. Paytrix describes itself as the payments curation platform, and behind an API that it proves to its customers to integrate into their own services, their CEO says it negotiates its own banking relationship in different countries, which lets it bypass the traditional payment rails used for card payments and other payment services like Stripe, for example. Fighting with Stripe, what an idea. As well as some of the newest channels that have been emerging in more recent years, such as Open Banking Standards 2. SEC charges Tron founder Justin Sun, celebrities Lindsay Lohan, Jake Paul with crypto violations. The Securities and Exchange Commission has unveiled fraud and unregistered securities charges against crypto founder and Grenadian diplomat Justin Sun, alongside separate violations against the celebrity makers of his Tronix and BitTorrent crypto assets, which included Jake Paul, Lindsay Lohan, and Sulya Boy. The SEC alleged that Sun engaged in fraud by manipulating the trading activity of the two tokens, creating the appearance of active trading when it did not really exist. What a game he played, huh? The unregistered offer and sale charges, on the other hand, are similar to charges the SEC unveiled against other crypto offerings and exchanges such as Genesis, Gemini, and Do1 Terraform Labs. Commonly, 8 celebrities were charged. All except for 2 agreed to pay a collective or $400,000 in disgorgement, interest, and penalties to settle the charges. The settlement were not an admittance or denial of guilt. This was it for today. Stay tuned for the next episodes. Do not forget to like and subscribe. I believe the buttons will appear somewhere here. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye!